The Big Five, FFM, 5-factor model, or Ocean as it's sometimes called, is a way of measuring 5 personality traits, and this video is about discussing why this system should be used instead of Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, or MBTI. First, the explanation of Big Five. This is what psychologists use when determining your personality. Big Five measures 5 personality traits, thereof the name. And the first letter of them spell out the acronym OCEAN. These are openness to experience. High openness reflects an appreciation for art, unusual ideas, and adventures. These are also people who have an intellectual curiosity and creativity. These people seek out euphoric experiences. Those who score low in openness are the opposite. Conscientiousness. The high scores in conscientiousness are dependable and organized. They aim high and want to plan out most events in advance instead of being spontaneous. The low scores are more flexible. Extroversion. The more extroverted people have more positive emotions, energy, assertiveness, and tend to seek stimulation by socializing with others. Introverted people, the low scorers, are reserved and seek stimulation by doing their own thing. They are often associated with new thinking. Agreeableness. If someone has an easy time being cooperative, compassionate, and they trust people easily, then they are high scorers in agreeableness. If they are suspicious and competitive, they are low scorers. Neuroticism. The ones that score high in neuroticism are sensitive and experience negative emotions more easily than those who score low. These emotions are anger, depression, and anxiety. They are seen as emotionally unstable. Low scorers are emotionally calm and stable. Well, now comes a big controversy. MBTI, Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, is based on the work of a brilliant psychiatrist named Carl Jung, but constructed by Catherine Cook Briggs and Isabel Briggs Myers. Carl Jung constructed the terms extroversion and introversion and was hugely influential in the world that is psychology. You have probably heard of or taken the MBTI. It's composed of 16 personalities and they look like ENTP, ENTJ, ESFP, and so on. Every letter symbolizes a personality trait, and you are either E as for extroversion or I for introversion, S for sensing or N for intuition, T for thinking or F for feeling, J for judging or P for perceiving. But do not mistake MBTI to be the work of Carl Jung. Here's the problem. MBTI doesn't work. There are dozens of examples that prove that it isn't reliable. If you take the test one day and get ENTJ, and you take it after a few weeks, then you can get ISFP, which is completely different. This is possible and happens quite a lot. Then how can you trust this? Well, you can't. Your personality changes over time, but it doesn't change that much after a few weeks. And one more thing. Research showed that you can be both a thinker and a feeler. Most thinkers actually spend a lot of time feeling. So, why would you use this instead of Big Five? I have no idea. Why not use astrology instead? That describes your personality and it's proven to work. Same as MBTI. This video isn't meant to anger anyone, it's just meant to educate. So with this information in mind, do choose the method you want. If you want to read more about this, then there are links in the description just for that purpose. And with that, I'll see you, my irregulars.